Hello, in this video we're continuing our discussion of determining the values of the undetermined coefficients with focusing on step 4, which says to equate the coefficients corresponding powers of x and solve the resulting equations for the coefficients. So what I mean by this is we have an x term on the right and we have an x term on the left. That must mean that 5 and a plus b are equal to each other. So a plus b equals 5. But we also have an x to the 0 term on the right and an x to the 0 term on the left, so those two must equal. So we have a minus 3b is equal to negative 3. Now we have a system of equations with two unknowns. We're trying to find a and b and two equations. You can do this with either substitution or elimination. I am going to use elimination. I am going to do this by first off multiplying the first equation by a negative so that we get negative a minus b equals negative 5. Leave the second equation the same. And now I will add the two. The reason I'm doing this is because now my a terms will cancel. Negative a plus a. So we end up with negative b minus 3b, so it's going to be negative 4b. Negative 5 plus negative 3 is going to be negative 8. And then we can very easily solve for solve for b, and it will end up being 2. Now we substitute this back in. A plus b is going to be a plus 2, and this is equal to 5. So this means that a is equal to 3. So we have b equals 2 and a equals 3. There's our value of our undetermined coefficients.